If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, look no further than these thrilling and adventurous activities to do on vacation around the world. From zip lining through the rainforest to diving with sharks, we've got you covered with the top 10 activities that will get your heart racing. 10. Cliff diving in Hawaii. Hawaii is a top destination for thrill seekers looking for an adrenaline rush. One of the most popular activities is cliff diving. There are cliffs of all different heights to choose from, so whether you're a beginner or a daredevil, you can find a perfect spot to take the plunge. The views from the top are spectacular, and the feeling of jumping into the clear water below is exhilarating. 9. Mountain biking in the Swiss Alps. Mountain biking in the Swiss Alps is an exciting and adventurous activity that is perfect for those looking for a fun and challenging experience. The trails are well maintained and offer stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, and the bike rental shops are well equipped to provide everything you need for a great ride. Whether you're seeking a thrill or simply the beautiful Swiss Alps views, this is the perfect activity for your next vacation. 8. Whitewater rafting in the Grand Canyon. There's nothing like tumbling down a roaring river through the Grand Canyon. Whitewater rafting in the Grand Canyon is certainly a thrill, and fraught with rapid waters, twists and turns, and keeps your heart pumping as you navigate through the rapids. This activity is great if you are with a group of people or family. 7. Zip lining through the rainforest in Costa Rica. You climb to the top of a tower in the middle of the forest, and there's only one way down. Zip lining to the bottom. This thrilling experience will have you soaring through the trees and enjoying the incredible views of the jungle below. It's a great way to get your adrenaline pumping and experience some of the amazing natural scenery that Costa Rica has to offer. 6. Diving with sharks in Australia. Not for the faint of heart. Are you seeking adventure in Australia? Well, there's no greater heart-pounding thrill than being face-to-face with sharks. This unique experience will allow you to get up close and personal with some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just getting started, there's something for everyone when it comes to diving with sharks. 5. Paragliding in New Zealand. If you're looking for an adventure, New Zealand is the place to be. With its stunning landscapes and thrilling activities, you'll never run out of things to do. One of the most popular activities in New Zealand is paragliding. Take to the skies and experience the country's beauty from a whole new perspective. If you're looking for an exciting and adrenaline-pumping activity, paragliding in New Zealand is definitely for you. 4. Bungee jumping in South Africa. Are you ready to take the plunge in South Africa? Well, let's do it head first, off a bridge, with a bungee cable strapped to our feet. There are a number of different bungee jumping locations around the country, each with its own unique set of thrills and chills. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced jumper, there's a jump site waiting for you in South Africa. 3. Horseback riding through the Spanish countryside. Glide on horseback through the beautiful countryside of Spain? This adventure may not be as heart-stopping as others on the list, but any experienced horse rider will tell you, it's thrilling riding in the open countryside on a majestic horse. You'll get to see some of the most beautiful and rustic areas of the country while enjoying a fun and exhilarating activity. Young, old, or somewhere in between, this is a perfect trip for everyone. 2. Safaring through the Serengeti of Tanzania. If you're looking for an exciting and adventurous activity to do, why not go safaring through the Serengeti of Tanzania? You'll be able to see some of the most beautiful wildlife in the world, including lions, elephants, and giraffes. You'll also get to experience the beautiful African landscape. 1. Skydiving over the beaches of California. Why do all the cars below look like ants? Simple, you're in California staring at the ground from 3,500 feet in the air. This experience is not for the faint of heart, but it is sure to thrill those who participate in it. If you are looking for an exciting new adventure to try, consider skydiving. You will never forget the thrill of your first jump. That's all we have for the top 10 thrilling things to do around the world. We hope you enjoyed this top 10 countdown. If so, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future videos like this one. Thanks for watching.